Purity, the point from which everything begins. Purity, the very essence of our being. At the heart of every activity we perform, harnessing technology with ingenuity. Purity is empowering. Now it's available for you at India's first one-of-its-kind Purity Verification Center from Mmtc PAMP. The Mmtc PAMP Purity Verification Center, where the sanctity of each transaction is maintained even before you step in. Every check and balance in place, each day, every time. It begins with daily calibration of our precision weighing balances and high-performance XRF machine, guaranteeing you 100% transparency and accuracy like no one else by recording the presence of all metals down to parts per thousand. Our friendly and trained staff explains the entire process to you, in which your gold jewelry will be weighed, melted to a uniform consistency and then subjected to purity verification. The entire operation is highly process-driven. First, the empty bowl is put on the balance and reading matched to 0. Then, your items placed in it, weighed, and a system-generated printout records the item weight before melting. After this, we prepare to melt your gold items, of course, with your approval. The purity verification process commences with melting your items in a furnace to create a melt of uniform consistency throughout. Homogenized melt is cast, cooled, its surface cleaned by pickling, rinsed in deionized water and air-dried to give you a clean ingot of uniform consistency throughout. This ingot is weighed. You will notice a difference in the readings in weight before melting and weight after melting. Weight loss during melting depends on the nature and extent of impurities in the form of other metals present in the items tendered. The ingot is further tested for purity through our rigorous process that involves subjecting it to XRF testing at 4 points. The XRF detects the presence of gold and other metals, computes and displays all elements present. This final reading shown here is the gold purity and what you will get as a certificate. The ingot is weighed again, also termed as weight after melting and testing. Value of nominal weight loss during surface preparation is rebated from the standard service charges payable. So, what's the gold content of your item? It's this simple equation. You get your purity verified gold in a customized pack with our signed certificate of gold content. As you can see, all results are system generated with no manual intervention. The entire process takes just 45 minutes. You can sell this gold to us, in which case the verification charges will be waived off. You can also exchange your purity verified gold for any of our gold products. Mmtc PAMP Purity Verification Center. Purity you can verify. Preciousness you can trust.